Get up on him, get up on him. Stop switching, get up on them. Good, good.
Behind you, AJ!
Rebound, rebound. Rebound, AJ. Go! Run down, run down, run down. Run down.
Lower, Chase, lower, Chase.
Rebound, AJ, rebound.
Good, Chase, go! Go,
Run
go,
down, run down. Stop that, that's a run.
Good, hurry up, Adam. Not too high, Chase, wait, just now go, now go. Grab, grab.
Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Stop, stop, stop.
23, 23. Good, good, go.
Get back, get back.
Come on, Andre. Ruin. Wait, Chase, wait. You gotta wait till it gets there, Chase. Go, Chase. AJ, you can't let him go baseline, AJ. Know where your help is. Get her, Adam. Good, Andre.
Get that ball, get that ball, get back, get back, get back. Get back. Thank you, Adam. Let's get back, man. Rebound. Down, M1. Yeah, just touch the border, right? Go. Oh, you can do it, right? Kelly, Kelly.
Second.
Get back, get back, get back, get back.
No, you gotta be there. So.
Pass it up, pass it up. Let's go. Lay up, lay up. Oh! How are you there?
27.
Rebound! Rebound! There you go. Set it up, set it up, set it up. Hey, hustle. Stop. Jackson, get up, Jason, get up. Hands up, Jason, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right. Again. Hands up, hands up. Move your feet. There you go. Move your feet, Jason, move your feet. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Griff, that shooter, right? Off-cross shooter. I just turn around.
Hey, go!
Hold it. Down. Let's go, guys. You need to stop. Stop hard. Hold it up. There you go. Okay.
Good, Andre.
Get back.
Storm. Go. Brennan, work, Brennan. Go, Andre.
Take the pressure. Pressure, help out. you go. Hands up, hands up, hands up. 3-2, 3-2. 3-2. One for Nathan. 3-2, right? You're on the bottom. Go! On the bottom! Yes, on the bottom! Get up, get up, get up! Get up! Jackson, come here.
The foul. I got Rebound! Make a mistake and go back and get it. Pick it up. Get back! Idea, get back! How did you get ball? Come in. Come back here. Hey, who doesn't know 13 strong? You know 13 strong? You're up. You're 13 strong. Basically, I'll go through all the teams. Let the ref see this. Just stay right here, right? I'll sit on half side right here. I'll be at your house. See you later. Right? I don't know. Ready? Right, yeah. Take that. Take that. You got it? Got it? Which side do you like? Go to the right. To the right? Pick up. Right here. Pick your side. Yes, you're up. Right here.
Stop first, stop.
Let's go on the court, Andre. Behind you, Andre.
Get back. All right, run the play. Isaac, run the play.
Stevie did it. Beanie good, Andre.
Get back. Pressure. Jackson, get it.
23. Good, Chase.
Get up on him. Hold it. Good, close down.
Don't extend too high. Chase, you're extending too high. Go, Chase, go. Go, Andre.
Get back.
Don't extend too high, Chase. Relax. Don't extend that high, AJ. Relax. Too high, AJ. Stay in front, Adam. Good, Chase. Get over, Andre.